click, copy a video and make $50 to $300 in a blink of an eye. And the best thing about this is that you can do this as many times as you like and continue to make hundreds of dollars in just a few minutes. We know it sounds crazy, but look at all of these payments already made by our platform for today. Everyone from absolutely everywhere around the world has been making real money from our method for today. And after today's video, you're going to be one of them. With one click, you can get paid $50. And when you do 10 clicks, you can earn up to $500. It's insanely easy and the most perfect strategy for beginners who want to start making money online. Now, this method is 100% free, so you won't be made to invest anything or pay for anything. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. First of all, we want you to take a look at this Facebook video right here. And with these videos, you're going to make a lot of money online. Now, we want you to go on this website called MotionDen, and to get to their website, just type in MotionDen.com. And I've talked about this website before, probably, so if you've been a subscriber for a quite long time now, you're probably already familiar with this website and what it does. But if you aren't, then we'll give you a quick rundown of it. So basically, MotionDen is an online video maker. So you can make videos on here and it basically does all of the work for you already. This is what this website is supposed to do. So help you create videos like the videos you see on Facebook. So not only is today's video an awesome new video copy pasting strategy, we're also going to introduce to you a brand new Facebook strategy as well. And we've used Facebook for a couple of times too, so we know that you guys are going to very much enjoy all of this. Anyway, what you want to do on MotionDen is sign up. So click on Get Started right here. And as you can see, you can continue with Google or Facebook or just with your email. And we're just going to choose to sign up with our email. And then you'll be asked to fill this up. Fill up your first name, your last name, your email address, and password, and then hit sign up. So right now, you should find yourself inside your account, and right away, you'll see all of the video templates that this website has prepared for you. So whatever it is you're looking for, it will be right here. As you can see, there are 3 template categories that you can choose from: standard, industry, and seasonal. Under standard, you have ads, intro, outro, events, promo, and communications. Under industry, you have all of this, and it's a lot, as you can see. And then under seasonal, you obviously have all of the holidays under here. So it's crazy. You can even make videos according to seasons, which I think is pretty awesome. Now, I want you to look over here and then select on like the Facebook logo. So this area, all templates already are made according to the Facebook standards or size, and you can still choose from any of the categories if there's anything that you want to make in particular. So there's instant Facebook video templates. Choose from over 78 free Facebook video templates available for instant customization and download. If you guys want to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to love. So make sure you check the description box down below. Also, comment down below where you're from and what devices you use. Also, tell me if you're an Android user or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. So let's get into a real life example here. So for example, we're going to choose this template right here. And as soon as you click it, you're going to see like a preview. And as you can see, it's very nicely made and looks like it was made by a professional, which is exactly what we want. So just click on edit this video and then boom, you can proceed to editing your video. So you can change text just like this, add audio and some variants just like that. Really do anything that you'd like to do. Once you feel like you've done enough or you want or what you've wanted to do and you think it's set, you can go ahead and just click on make video right here. So once again, you can use this website to create videos that would look like it was made professionally. Now we want you to go to our second website, which is called quickandgigs.com. And I think we've also talked about this before, I'm not entirely sure, but it was for a different strategy. So in this video though, we're going to show you how you can use this website in particular by making great money from video and animation. So just click on video and animation right here, and then you'll be brought to this page where you'll see all of the people posting their listings, their job listings about video animation. And what we want you to do is look at the left side of your screen and look for short video ads and click on that. Look at all of the people earning $550, $270, $250, and so on. And pretty soon, you're gonna start earning money just like this. This is how much people are earning just by creating Facebook videos, and that's how much we're going to start earning by using MotionDen to complete the Facebook videos. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing and by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. Now let's continue. So you're then going to sign up for a completely free account and click register. Then this will pop out, so fill up your username, email, password twice, your phone number and country you're from, then company name, which is optional, then register, and boom, you officially have a Quick and Gigs account just like that. You can immediately start posting your job listing, wait till people avail your service. Create bomb Facebook videos in MotionDen, literally just copy pasting and boom, $300, there you have it, into your PayPal account. So make sure that you try this out. Let me know in the comments down below how it goes for you. Tell me if you guys had such a super duper fun time. Comment down below what video you'd like to see next. And that is basically it for today's video. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.